Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at installing vibration dampeners. These vibration dampeners, they go inside here. So we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to install it. So let's get straight into it, guys. So first what you need to do is, if I can show you clearly, you need to pull the latch down and then drop the handlebar, and you can just lock it into place like so. So next step is we just need to get the vibration dampeners. I did an unboxing on the vibration dampeners. So what I'm talking about is this right here. So this starts to play and you get a wobble in the upper handlebar, so you feel the vibrations a lot more. So we're going to try to resolve that. So all you need to do is get one of these, like so, and just see which one will fit inside. Let me see if I can show you more clearly. So you just need to align it up. Fairly straightforward. Push it right towards the back, and that's it. So what I'm going to be doing now is just quickly seeing if that is the right size for me on the dampener head. So I'm just going to raise it back up. If it doesn't close properly, then it's not the right size. So yeah guys, that's not the right size for mine. So I need to drop it back. It's crucial that you get the right fit on, or you're just going to have issues opening and closing it. My worry is, am I able to do the same size? So once you've done that, it should all lock back in place, and you would notice that now there is no noise. Just make sure that you get the right size. It varies anywhere from 0.4 millimeters to 0.6 and 0.8 all the way up to 1.2. So just make sure you order the right size. I'll leave links in the description of where I purchased this one from. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Peace out.